Hello friends, welcome to in this DSA series. What is programming? Programming means writing a set of step by step instructions so that a computer can perform a specific task. How to approach a problem? Don't jump to coding immediately. Ask yourself, what is the input? What is the output? What is the goal? Example, find sum of two numbers. Input two numbers. Output their sum. What is algorithm? An algorithm is a procedure or method that tells you how to solve a problem step by step. Real life example, making tea. Boil water, add tea leaves, add sugar, add milk, pour into cup. These steps form an algorithm. Flowcharts and its components. A flowchart is a dramatic representation of an algorithm. It uses different symbols to show the flow of steps needed to solve a problem. First, a start symbol. Second, input variable A and B. Third, diamond structure show decision making. Then no, print B, end, S, print A, end. Pseudocode. Pseudocode is a simple informal way of writing the steps of an algorithm using plain English mixed with programming like structure. Start, input variable A, B, sum A plus B, print sum, end. Subscribe this channel for support. Design a flowchart. Print the sum of two numbers A and B. Start, input number A, B, sum A plus B, print sum, end. Print average of A, B and C. Start, input A, B, C, sum A plus B plus C, average sum by 3, print average, end. Check number positive, negative and 0. Logic, if number greater than 0, then output positive. If number less than 0, then show negative. If number equals to 0, then show 0. Algorithm. Start, input A, number n. If n greater than 0, print positive. Else if n less than 0, print negative. Else print 0, end. Pseudocode. Start, input n. If n greater than 0, then print positive. Else if n less than 0, then print negative. Else print 0, end. Print area of rectangle. Start, input length, input width. Area equals to length into width. Print area, end. Print counting from 1 to n. Start, input n. Take I equals to 1. Is I less equal n? No. If no, then I equals to I plus 1. If yes, then print I, end. This is repeatedly done. Algorithm. start input n, set I equals to 1, while I less equal n, print I, increment I equals to I plus 1, end. Print even number for 1 to n. Start input n, I equals to 1. Is I less equal n? No. Then I equals to I plus 1. Print I in. If I less than equal n, s, then is I modulo 2 equals to 0, s, then no, I equals to 1 plus 1, end. Algorithm start input n, set I equals to 1, while I less equal n. If I modulo 2 equals to 0, print I, increment I, ended. Thanks for watching DSA series.